Pistol squat regressions. The first one, you're going to be lowering down on the one leg and then standing up using both of your legs. Obviously with this one, the lower that you go, the harder it is. So start quite high and build up that strength that we need through that single leg. The next stage, we need to start building the strength through that knees over your toes movement. So we're going to grab something stable like the rack here and working to the range that we're capable of. Next step, obviously we move away from the rack. That foot doesn't touch the ground, all the way down, all the way up. Now adding some weight. To begin with, you can start quite light and it will help to counterbalance you. And then as you get stronger, increase the weight.